Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. Before we dive into today's video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and turn on notifications. Now, let's get started. The 2024 Earthshot Prize winners were announced during a prestigious ceremony in Cape Town, South Africa, celebrating innovative solutions to environmental challenges. This year's event highlighted a range of impactful projects, from ecological restoration initiatives to sustainable practices in agriculture and waste management. Among the winners were initiatives such as a project dedicated to restoring Kazakhstan's Golden Steppe, a vast grassland ecosystem, and a groundbreaking refrigeration solution designed to benefit fishers and farmers in East Africa. These projects were recognized for their potential to make significant contributions to environmental sustainability and community well-being. Australian conservationist Robert Irwin, who spoke before the announcement, emphasized the importance of these awards, calling them a beacon of hope for the planet. He noted the diversity of the finalists, stating, "The Earthshot finalists come from all corners of the globe, representing various backgrounds and cultures, all united by a common goal." It's truly inspiring to support such meaningful efforts. This year, South Africa hosted Earthshot Week, marking the fourth edition of the glamorous awards ceremony held at a specially constructed venue adjacent to Cape Town Stadium. The event was a celebration not only of individual achievements, but also of international collaboration in the fight against climate change. The ceremony kicked off with a stunning pre-recorded performance by Lebo M, who performed Circle of Life from The Lion King atop Table Mountain, setting a powerful tone for the evening. The event was hosted by the acclaimed actor and singer Billy Porter, along with award-winning television presenter Boning Mathiba, both of whom brought energy and charisma to the proceedings. High-profile attendees included the Prince and Princess of Wales, who showed their support for the initiatives being recognized. The winners were announced on stage by supermodel and television host Heidi Klum, actor and activist Nina Dobrev, artist and actor Tobe Mwigwe, and supermodel and entrepreneur Winnie Harlow, adding to the star-studded atmosphere. From a competitive field of 15 finalists, only 5 category winners were selected, each receiving a £1 million, €1.2 million, prize to help scale their projects. This funding is intended to support the winners in expanding their initiatives and amplifying their impact on the environment. Protect and Restore Nature winner * Altyn Dala Conservation Initiative. The Altyn Dala Conservation Initiative, based in Kazakhstan, is dedicated to the protection and restoration of the Golden Steppe, one of the world's largest conservation projects. This organization has made remarkable strides in conservation, notably rescuing the critically endangered saiga antelope from the brink of extinction. Their efforts focus not only on wildlife protection but also on promoting sustainable land use and engaging local communities in conservation practices. Clean Our Air winner * GAYO, Green Africa Youth Organization. GAYO, or Green Africa Youth Organization, operates in Ghana and Uganda, focusing on circular economy waste management. This initiative empowers young people to lead community efforts in waste cleanup, job creation, and infrastructure development. By fostering behavioral change and promoting sustainable practices, GAYO aims to create cleaner environments and enhance the livelihoods of local residents. Their model exemplifies how youth engagement can drive meaningful change in addressing environmental challenges. The Earthshot Prize, launched in 2020 by Prince William, aims to recognize and support innovative solutions to environmental issues. With each edition, the awards continue to inspire hope and action, showcasing the power of collaboration and creativity in tackling some of the most pressing challenges facing our planet today. The ceremony not only celebrated the achievements of the winners, but also served as a reminder of the collective responsibility to nurture and protect the Earth for future generations. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on my channel. Thanks for watching till the end.